Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of the new car garage build. As you can see behind me, lots of updates, some stuff happening that's coming up Saturday. Let's get started. All right, here you go. So the framing is done, walls are up, the rafters, which are over there and there and there and some more on the other side, they're going up this Saturday. So that's pretty cool. We got a kind of you can see, a gloomy day today. It's been raining off and on. I hear the thunder, so we'll make this video fairly quick. You might be hearing it right now. So again, we got the 4-car garage. These turned out to be 14.5-foot walls. I wasn't expecting to go that high, but I'll show you. Let's come over here. They poured a curb here, as you can see, and so that's just elevated it up. But hey, listen, it's okay. There's just more room for cars to go up higher up in the air. You can see the scaffolding here where they're going to be at laying the rafters in, but you can see here it's got all the walls in it. We're going to have 4 windows, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a man door here will be on the side, and of course the four bays right there. We're gonna have, come over here, we're gonna have a bathroom here, and then outside here there's gonna be another wall, and this wall is going to hold on this side. It's going to be more like a storage area. It's going to hold the bigger sink, part sink, things like that to work with. And of course we got all of our water there, and we got pipes coming out. We'll be able to run other stuff. Electrical's here. I think they messed that up. I'm not quite sure what they're going to do yet, but they'll figure it out. Shouldn't have been up underneath the window. But as you can see, we're going to have nice windows, nice light coming in. Looks good. It'll look a lot better on the next video when you see, update video, when you see the rafters in. We're going to do, I think, a couple of mini splits. We're getting that kind of measured out now for the height of the walls and everything. And also everything will be spray foamed. Ceiling and the walls all will be spray foamed. Insulated doors throughout. We're going to have the side mounts. So that is going to work. But just wanted to give you a quick update. We're starting to feel a little rain coming. So we'll kind of walk backwards here so you can see it kind of pan out. So next update, rafters will be in, some other stuff. Oh yeah, we've already sealed the concrete floor. That's good to go. And there you have it, just a really quick video. It's looking great. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, but that's okay as well. Just more rooms for more cars, right? Anyway, guys, thank you so much. We'll keep updating you on the build. Really appreciate you watching. Please like, subscribe, ring that bell. It helps out the channel. And as always, God bless.